Bienvenido a Valencia, España, a city known for amazing architecture, lively culture, and above all, oranges. Today in this video, we'll find out just what makes Valencia oranges so special, the top sites in the city, and how to do all of it on a shoestring budget. So pull up a chair, relax, and let's dive into beauty, Valencia. Valencia orange groves. First off, let's talk about Valencia's most famous export, the Valencia orange. The oranges themselves are known for their sweet, juicy flavor for fresh juice and snacking. Literally named after this very region, they are a real symbol of Valencia's farming sector. From late spring into the summer, in season, Valencia oranges can be expected to provide great enjoyment during your stay. Local market with an orange display. When in Valencia, do not miss out on the local markets like Central Market, where one is supposed to taste and buy fresh oranges from the source of origin. The taste is simply incomparable. Exploring Valencia's iconic landmarks, City of Arts and Sciences. But Valencia is not all about oranges. The city is full of amazing landmarks, among which one is the City of Arts and Sciences, a futuristic complex that hosts a planetarium, interactive science museum, and an oceanographic park. A very famous architect, Santiago Calatrava, designed the structure. Therefore, it's a must place to visit for every person arriving in this city. Valencia Cathedral and El Michelet. Afterwards, travel back in time to the wonderful Valencia Cathedral, including its famous PA bell tower El Michelet. The spectacular panorama of the city is appreciated in its full beauty from the top. The cathedral houses what many people consider to be the Holy Grail, thus being a place of great historical and religious value to the world. Turia Gardens. For some relaxation, visit the Turia Gardens. This beautiful park used to be a riverbed and is now an Eden of green right in the city center, perfect for a nice stroll or a picnic under the Spanish sun. Beaches and daily life in Valencia. The beaches of Valencia. Valencia is also blessed out with some fantastic beaches. Maybe the most popular one is Malvarosa Beach, which offers golden sand and clear waters, just a little trip away from city center. It's an ideal spot to swim, sunbathe, or enjoy a game of beach volleyball. Street scenes and local eateries. To experience the local life, wander around the colorful streets of Valencia. Enjoy the tapas offered from a local bar, and open up to eat a plate of authentic paella, and of course, consume some freshly squeezed orange juice from Valencia. It's very apparent that the city is full of foodies when its culinary scene appears as colorful as the culture. Low-end accommodation options. Now, how to explore Valencia on a budget. Tip number 1, stay in budget-friendly accommodation, such as hostels or Airbnb. You will have enough affordable options both in the city center and at the beach, which will allow you to feel comfortable without spending too much money. Public transport in Valencia. Tip number 2, use the city's fabulous public transportation. The metro and buses are efficient and not very costly, so moving around and visiting sites is pretty easy. Tip number 3, eat like a local. Sample tapas, paella, and fresh oranges from local markets and inexpensive restaurants. You will get wonderful food at reasonable prices so that you will be able to satisfy your cravings without blowing your budget. Visit free attractions and during off-season. Tip number 4, see the free stuff. Many of Valencia's best attractions, from the Turia Gardens to the beach, are absolutely free. And for our final tip, consider visiting during the off-season when prices for accommodations and flights are lower and there aren't as many people crowding into places of interest. Unique experiences in Valencia. La Lonja de la Seda. For a different kind of attraction, stop at La Lonja de la Seda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This fabulous Gothic structure was once the city's silk exchange and mirrors wonderfully on a fine trading history for Valencia. Fallas Festival. If you come around March, do not fail to look in on the Fallas Festival. Colorful sculptures, fireworks throughout the night, and endless street parties. There is nothing like this kind of cultural experience, which gives you the real feel of being in Valencia. Final thoughts and call to action. Montage of the best moments in Valencia and people enjoying the city. Valencia is a city that has everything. Rich history, gorgeous architecture, amazing food, and of course, the best oranges in the world. From luxury holidays to budget travel, Valencia will make sure that you have one unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Valencia. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Share your very own experiences in Valencia below in the comments. Happy travels! Please subscribe to the Passport pages for upcoming new videos, and do not forget to like and subscribe to have more videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy exploring.